We are, look. Everywhere you look, you don't see nobody. Uh-oh. People live up in here.
I'd love to live there.
Look at that little house. It's actually nice. Wouldn't have to worry about nobody bothering you. And now we hit the gravels.
Well, we gotta go slow on this road because
Rocking over there. I don't know, but look at there. That's a pretty, yeah, it looks like a tree fell and somebody got it out of the road. Look at that. Oh my God. Those are fucking,
those are craters.
pretty much you've got another one coming up here.
Well, I'm trying to
Right there.
go around.
Drop down in one of those with a little wheel, it'll break your axle. I don't know about you. I can see us with a fucked up car and not being able and having to walk out of here with these two hooligans back here and a baby
Who's
squalling.
gonna pack these big asses?
That's what I'm saying. That's Rob posted out what?
We're making your video. Subscribe.
Oh. If everybody likes my videos, please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
It is up there. I know, look.
I've never been up there.
I love these trees, and that right there's ready to fall over on the road, and these trees have never seen people before, except right there.
Like.
Oh, look at that tree.
I'm telling you, go right under it. See, it's about to hit the, look how big it is. I think,
No, actually, that's just the way it's grown.
please like and subscribe. I already said that. Please like and subscribe my videos if you like them.